Welcome to the Industry 4. We are about moving from industry now to industry next. In a world shaped by rapid change, we bring clarity, creativity, and transformation. Our work bridges technology, management, and innovation to prepare businesses and individuals for the challenges of tomorrow. Through our courses, consulting, and initiatives, we craft knowledge that empowers, designs that inspire, and strategies that create impact. At the Industry 4, we believe design is not decoration, it's direction. Join us on this journey where ideas evolve, industries transform, and the future takes shape. The Industry 4, creating value today for a sustainable tomorrow.